Hi, I'm Tammy. So today we're going to do a gin drink. 421 Rants was saying that he wanted to see some gin drinks, so today we're going to do that. This drink is called Gin Squirt. That's right, squirt. So we're going to start with, we've got this shaker full of ice. As you can see, I've already got a glass that has a bunch of crushed ice in it. I just took a bag full of ice and I took a mallet and crushed it up myself, right? Okay, I'm going to do 2 shots of gin. And use any gin you like. We happen to have Tanqueray at the house, so that's what I'm using today. Doesn't matter, whatever you like, use. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 shots of that. Then, going to do a tablespoon of grenadine, and it's just kind of a guesstimate of a tablespoon there. And then you need to use like super fine sugar, or I'm using stevia because I just prefer stevia to sugar. And I like to keep it as low calorie as possible, and there's already grenadine in it. Now we're going to shake this up. So talking about keeping as low calorie as possible, I read recently that gin actually can help you lose weight. It speeds your metabolism up, which I found to be very interesting. Of course, it's not going to speed your metabolism up if you're mixing it with all kinds of sugary stuff, but if you're drinking it straight or with just soda water, it can help you lose weight. So, drink away. All right, so let's get this shaken up. Okay, put some perfect frost on here. We're going to strain into my glass. It's going to look so pretty. Once I get this strained into the glass all the way, oh, look how pretty that's looking. I am going to top it off with a little bit of just soda water. And again, use whatever kind of soda water you like. This is just bubbly. Really doesn't matter what you want to use. And then I just have this garnished with a strawberry, a couple of black cherries, and some basil, because I like it to look pretty. And now's the best part. I get to try it. I'm really excited. All right. It's delicious. Very refreshing, very delicious. And for those people that like gin, you can taste the gin, but it's not overpowering. It's got a really smooth, nice taste. It's not too sweet, not too fruity or anything like that. Just refreshing and delicious. So, thanks for watching my show, and I hope you subscribe.